Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing okay. Well, there is a lot of volatility in the market, and the market is quite hard to trade at this point. You have to be very, very fast. So let's start with a quick history lesson. Okay. So I will show you what happened in the dot-com bubble. Okay. So in 1998 the Fed starts to increase their rates. Okay, what happens to the stocks? You see, you have like 2 months going down, and then it continues to go up for let me see, where is the measuring tool? Here. So then it goes up for 730 days. Okay, so ironically, right, if they raised rates, this should have come down. What does it do? It goes up. If we look here, I think this is where they started to. I think this is 1998. I cannot find like a better chart, but if you know where I can find a better chart, please let me know. So it was in around 5%, and I think they've increased here until like 8, 7. I can't remember exactly. Okay. I cannot find the data, but if you really want to dig into it, you can just do it yourself. But I'm just showing you what happened. So this is when they start to hike. Okay. So they hike, they hike, they hike. And in 2000, they ease. And then what happens? Stocks come down. Uh, this might be the, I mean, I don't know, but maybe this is the case here also. But it's like a bit of reversing somehow. It's like a reverse engineering. So in here we have the pandemic. Okay, this is when the pandemic is being announced in 2019 December. Actually, you see, boom, everyone panics, starts selling. The central banks take their policy to zero rates. Age of free money starts to roll in. So from 2020 till 21, we had a nice rally. Let's see, from off the lows, how much it rallied. 120%. Okay, now we are coming down because the free money is over, right? So everyone starts to tighten, to tighten. Okay, so what happens? Now we go down. My question is this gonna happen? Is like history gonna repeat itself? We're gonna have like a small 40% uh, move down and then go up, maybe like another, let's say 120, you know, let's say, oh, that's a lot. I don't think we will do like that because that's a lot, but still, I think we're gonna take out this top here at some point. Maybe, maybe not. I'm just showing you what happened in the past. Maybe, and it took 913 days for, as soon as they started easing, it took 913 days to kind of get back on track. So this is a big, big, massive bear rally, okay? And considering that it's a 100%, okay, down move. So considering uh, like 2000 was different because there wasn't like so much money like we have today. Right now today, you have more retail traders than you had in 2000. You have more bigger institution, like the population grew over the world. So I'm guessing that everything is like, if this is gonna come down, it's gonna come down harder. If it's like that 100% move down, It's quite huge from where we are. Uh, I don't know why this tool is showing me like this, but yeah, I think we might see the lows here. We might. I don't know. It's at this point I'm like just guessing. I'm trying to see where we are headed long term, but for me it's why is it important to see where we're going long term? It's because I take my trades intraday and I hold them for like given this volatility, I hold them for like a day maximum or even less. I'm gonna show you why it's important to be very fast. Okay, you have this kind of news uh, that give hope to the market, right? So you have this. Um, Everyone is looking at China and they're thinking, oh, they're gonna reopen. Uh, uh, I don't. Markets have been so wrong with this, and then you get this. Um, in terms of where we at, it's quite hard, you know. Let me delete this. This is for a very long time. But if you look at this, um, I took profits yesterday at the lows. Uh, if we're gonna come down, maybe we can rally harder here, right? Maybe we can do like this and then come down. Everything is possible at this point because you have to be very, very fast. You have to react to the news. You have to kind of like, you know, we entered where we wanted. We took almost a 7 hour trade, 7 hour. So I'm good with that, you know. I'm really happy, you know. I'm making money. Doesn't I don't care if the market is bearish or bullish, right? I just have to flip fast as I can. Here, this one, good trade. 13-hour trade. I took all the profits. If it goes down harder, I really don't care. I'm definitely thinking that it's gonna bounce from this area here. Um, this is a very key area. As you can see, the support is quite strong here. And if we go on the weekly, I don't know if this is the chart. Yeah, this one. We are still in this support area. Um, as I said in one of my updates, is this a fake out? It looks like it. It faked, then came down. Right now, uh, logically, I would long this area. Okay, this is what I would long, but I don't have any good reason for this to kind of. I need to see a hold like a weekly close above, right? I didn't get the weekly close above, so this is a no go for me. We short, okay? Um, in Australian dollar, this is been ridiculous to trade. I haven't traded it. Um, well, technically from where was the chart? It looked here. This one, I thought this area will hold and we will go long. Uh, well, we didn't. Okay. The British pound is in a strong hourly downtrend. Same, we're getting into this support, so I just want to be cautious. Okay, I don't want to rush into trades. Let's take a look at crypto because Bitcoin is kind of having its own mind at this point. That's why I tell you it's best to be fast. Okay, Bitcoin held support, up it went. Any reason? I have no idea. I don't care about the reason. I care about what the chart is telling me. I get out fast. Okay, let me see. Um, bum. Yes, that's 3 days. Okay, Bitcoin. Where are you, Bitcoin? So okay, this is the trade. I will show you. right? So this was the trade here, and then I exit. Okay, I exit very fast. I don't care. I see it reversing. I exit. I got this confirmation here on the smaller time frames that this is gonna go up. I am in a good position right now. I'm not sure if I will cut some here and then leave the rest to run, but uh, if this is gonna push hard, I think I'm gonna wait for the NFP. Maybe it will do something, maybe it won't. I have no idea what it will do. Apparently, it's very, very strong, which is one thing that I'm wondering, was this the bottom? I don't know, man. Let's see. I I'm still thinking that we're missing this low here somehow. There is one thing that I've learned, like this can go all the way here and then come down. It can happen like that, right? So right now we're biased short because one of my strategies is like I get the bias from the 100 moving and 200 moving averages, right? Even on higher time frames. If it's below, it's downtrend. If it's above, then it's uptrend. If it's in between, then it's clearly a range. But for now, I, I I think we're missing this. Maybe I'm wrong. It doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong. As I keep telling you, it doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. Stop being bullish or bearish. Just trade what you see. Okay, trade what you see. You don't have to be. You don't have to care like, oh, get this. Like the bears are getting wrecked or the bulls are getting wrecked. Doesn't matter, man. You're making money. Who the fuck cares? Okay, as long as you're printing, nothing else matters. Is this Could this be a rally and come down? Obviously, it can. No issue with that. But so far, we're in the trade. We will hold it until proven wrong. Okay. When we're wrong, we cut the trade. Well, you see, like I had a hard time to read this range, whereas this range I read it quite well because the moves were like a bit more aggressive than this here. This one is very, very messy, so I just like made small profits on these trades. Okay, it's I do trade Bitcoin. I love to trade it, but this here was a fuckery. So I just make like 0.5 hours, 0.25 hours. It's it's not a lot, and the positions that I used are very, very small. So it's like 0.05 from my account. Um, but I went harder here. I also had a short here. Sorry, I don't know why it's missing. This is when the Fed we had the Fed. So I just took like this 3 hour trade. I keep this line here. It is very important. As you can see, price bounced. Even if it's broken and it's cutting, slashing through the price. This is one of the another part of my strategy. Okay, right now this is pushing. I don't care if if the market is really I don't know. This one here is like so fucking annoying. But as I said, guys, be very quick in the market. Don't give a fuck about what everyone is telling you. Um, y- when you try to build a position, and let's say you want to go short or long, when I do it, I have like orders that are I'm placing like this. I don't know how to show you. I'll do like this, okay? Let's say I want to get long here, so um, not like this. Alt H. So basically it's like this, right? So I have my buying orders like this. So up until the stop loss. If I'm not getting filled fully, then it's okay. That's why if you want this all these perfect entries, you kind of get them once in a while, but but when it's when you want to like get a nice flow, you just use the orders like I showed you. This is what I do. I break let's say I want to take a zero point 0.5 trade, so I just break it down like this. Okay, so that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the history lesson and what we do here. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me anything. I will be online today. I will be trading the shit out of this market as soon as I get the NFP report. But I'll let you know, obviously, how to read the report and everything. So, cheers and have a great weekend if we don't catch up.